Hey guys, welcome to another edition of the Weekly Buff. This week's project, a 2012 Mercedes C63 AMG. Now guys, this customer was looking for this car for over 2 years because of the horsepower, the performance, the look, and he found it, but cosmetically it needed a lot of help. So he brought it to Glossit, to the design and detail studio, and said, guys, I need this to look as good as it does mechanically, but cosmetically, I want the PPF removed. I want the bad ceramic coating installation removed. I want to paint correct it. I want the wheels off, the calipers. I want this car to look like showroom. Guys, you're gonna enjoy this project as much as we did. Stay tuned for this week's build. Hey guys, welcome to another week of the Weekly Buff. We've got this amazing C63 AMG Coupe. Customer bought it, looked for it, found it, and we start off with our paint correction to remove any of the fine micro scratches, swirl marks, and imperfections to get prepped and ready for Evo Pro 98 ceramic coating. Custom PPF on the front, nose, bumper, hood, and fenders. As you can see here, we take a lot of pride in install, and here is our 98 ceramic coating, putting down 2 layers on this white C63 AMG. Wheels off, calipers thoroughly cleaned and detailed. Back of the wheels, as you can see, were really dirty. You can see the after looks like a brand new wheel. This was a pleasure to work on. This customer was super stoked to pick up their vehicle. This is just another example of the killer work that we do here at the Glossit Design and Detail Studio in Las Vegas.
This is Rich. Thank you for visiting our YouTube channel, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, if you're a professional detailer and you're looking to grow your business, go ahead and click the video here. If you are a weekend warrior and you want to learn some pro detailing tips, go ahead and click here. And if you're looking to get into the detail business or you want to grow your detail business, go ahead and click below.